Okay, this time let's create a body frame. Watch this. In this balloon figure, we need two fully inflated balloons here. Twist these two balloons halfway, like this. Okay. Put this on the body of our child. Can you please hold this part? Okay. Hold this. Hold this. Hold this. Hold this. Hold this tightly. Don't move. Now, turn around. Please turn around. Hold this. Don't let it go. Hold the balloon. Don't let it go. Turn around. And now you need to twist this. Twist this end like this. And of course, get the orange part here and repeat the same process by connecting all the ends like this. And connect this also. So we created the body frame just like that.